ganito lang naman kadumi yung bike ko kapag fresh galing sa long ride. So for today's video, I'll show you how I clean my bike MTX style. We will be using MTX shampoo, protectant, quick shine, high gloss, and crystal effects. First step, hugasan muna natin para matanggal ang putik at alikabok. I'll be using MTX shampoo which lifts dirt effortlessly while protecting the paint. Dagdagan pa natin ng extra suds gamit ang makina para siguradong malinis. This Microtex wash mitt is gentle on the paint but tough on dirt. Now, let's rinse everything off. Mas maganda kung naka-pressure washer kayo pero kung wala, okay lang din naman kahit buhos-buhos lang. After hugasan, time to dry using Microtex fiber na extra absorbent kaya walang watermarks. Syempre, isama na rin natin yung mga singit-singit. Now, let's apply Microtex protectant, remove stains, restores the surface, at may glossy, dust-resistant finish pa. And last but not the least, gagamit tayo ng Crystal Effects na hydrophobic spray para hindi dumikit ang tubig sa paint. Mas madaling linisin next time at mas buhay na buhay ang kulay at shine. And there you have it, fresh, malinis at parang bago na ulit.